নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার আজকের এপিসোড নাম্বার 85. 85 is specially on cotton handlooms from Bengal and also designer blouses, which I will mix and match with these cotton saris just to give it a twist. So let's start watching. We had a little break in the previous week, so hopefully we'll not be giving any breaks this time. So let's keep watching. We are in lockdown, but still the work, we are trying to carry on the work and even the weavers and all, where there is the loom in the weaver's house, we are trying to keep creating few more stuffs like the ones which I will show you. So please, we need your support. So this is a handloom in stable cotton, Bengal handloom in stable cotton. It's in Rama green and red color combination. The whole sari is beautifully woven in peacock motif. Just see, it's fully woven in resham thread, and the color is a beautiful color of Rama green color. It's a peacock green rather color. And here is the, I'll just drape the whole sari to give it to let you know how the look comes. This is a two-tone color in the border. It's matha par with two-tone border, dual tone red border. I'll show you the blouse also. It's a very smart looking sari in a very reasonable range. This is the blouse piece. It's in red. Here is the blouse piece. Just see the combination. And this is the sari. The pallu in red, similar to that of the blouse. This is product number 1. And the price is rupees 1650 only, 1650. Now I will show you this cotton sari. It's a pure cotton handloom sari in pinstripes. Just see, it's a black and yellow color. A very smart looking sari. See, it's lovely tassels in yellow. This is very soft mull cotton. Very soft mull cotton, very comfortable for this severe heat this summer. It's very comfortable, and you don't need much starch. If you want a stiff look, nowadays we don't give much starch, but if you want the stiff look, you can definitely starch it because it's pure mull cotton, and it has a running blouse piece, so you can keep the blouse piece long enough, like what I've done. You just I've kept the sari, more pleats I've added to the sari and given it a very long pallu. So this is the sari. With this, I have suggested, these are the designer blouses that we are making, simple silk blouses. Just see, it's a yellow sleeveless blouse with multicolor tassels. See, you can wear this blouse with this. It's with cups. The back part is back open, and this price is rupees 2000. We have red, rani, more colors in this, black, the common colors which you regularly need for to mix and match. See, with this sari you can go in for this blouse, 2000 for the blouse, and see, with the tassel it's looking very smart. And just have to take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to the number, any one of the number that is provided. And this sari is price rupees, I'll just tell you the price, product number 2, 1450 only, 1450 for the sari. The sari, again let me tell you, it itself has a blouse piece. This is another very smart looking sari. Just see, it's in black and white pinstripe. I'm not opening the whole sari because I'm wearing one myself. You can just have a look. You can get an idea how the fall will be and how the look will be. So this is in black and white stripe. Just see, a very smart one with black and white pom-poms, handmade tassels. 1450 again for the sari. And we've just selected this blouse from our collection. It is a fully chicken work, full sleeve chicken work net sleeves with black body. So when you wear it, it will have a very smart look. See, it's a transparent chicken sleeves, full sleeve blouse. You can wear it mix and match with many more sarees. It's fully embroidered with hand sequins. The blouse is priced rupees 3200, 3250 for the blouse, and it's a front open blouse without cups, and the sari is 1450 rupees only, 1450 for the sari. Now next come this another color. It's a dark maroon color with grey color stripes, dark maroon with grey, whitish grey stripes, mull cotton, 1450 rupees only. With this, we've selected this ikat blouse. It's a collared blouse, a very corporate look, very smart looking blouse in ikat. In the previous episode also I had worn a similar kind of a blouse. This is, see the lining. So the lining is done in cotton block print. It's a beautiful cotton block print lining. So you get a very comfortable pure cotton feel. And the blouse piece is with cups. The price is 2200, 2200, sizes 34, 36, 38, 40 and 42. Few doesn't have till 42, mostly it is from 34 size to 40 size. We'll tell you the size whichever you need. This is the back part of the blouse. This is the front part with the cups. It will look very, very smart on wearing, and the sari has same price, 1450 rupees only. So this comes a pink color, soft pastel pink color. Same pink color sari with this silk, Bangalore silk, katha stitch, reverse katha blouse piece. Just see the lovely work in this. The front and the back will be fully thread work. This is till 40 size. There is margin in all the blouses. All the blouses will have margin inside, so that you can increase or decrease. Most of the blouses, I mean this katha doesn't have, but the others will have. Most of the blouses have margin inside, and you can see the back part is also fully reverse katha thread work, 2650 in pure silk. I'll show you closely the work. Hand work in pure katha, dark blue color, navy blue, with this blouse, sari. You can take any of the products separately. The blouse and the sari can be purchased separately, but first preference will be given to those who are buying both as a combo. See, this is a two-tone brown maroon combination. It's a green and maroon dual tone color. This is also a lovely color. All the colors are very smart looking. See the color. The whole sari will be in self stripe. With this, just check out this. Previously in one of the episodes I had worn a rust color, similar one in Ajrak full sleeve cotton blouse. We had very good demand for that. So this is a similar type in Ikat and Ajrak. Ajrak full sleeve blouse. It's a patchwork blouse. See, this is in another print. This is in another Ajrak print. This is in another Ajrak print. So lot of detailing in this, and the body is in Ikat, cotton Ikat body. This is the blouse. This is the back side. This is the front part. See, with this it's looking very smart. A very smart looking blouse. See, just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp me in the numbers provided. No phone calls, only WhatsApp bookings will be taken. This is 2200 for the blouse, 2200 for the blouse, and 1450 for the sari. This is another lovely color. So with that sari, you can try this blouse also. This is another blouse that can be worn with that sari. This is also 2650. This is another option which you can have. It's in black multicolor reverse katha, which you can wear with the other sari also, the previous one, or separately also you can buy, because it can be worn with a lot of saris. I'll just show you the work. This is the work, pure silk reverse katha blouse, handwork, 2650. Now this is another lovely color, beige color. This is also 1450 rupees. It's a beige color sari. Just see the color with the self stripe. Looks very, very soothing in the summer. And you can really deck up very well with this. You can wear the multicolored junk jewelries also. And with this you can try this cotton katha blouse. This is a lovely cotton katha blouse. The back also will be thread work, front and back fully embroidery in Golpo katha. It's a folk katha work. Front open, folk katha embroidery. I'll show you the work closely. This is the embroidery of the blouse. It's in cotton, pure cotton with lining. Just see with this, it's looking very smart. And the price of this blouse with lining is 1250 only. 1250. Just mention the size. This is the blouse and the sari I've already shown you. With this sari you can get another option of this blouse. This is a beautiful work again in Golpo katha, in hand work in pure cotton, and it's Worli katha. It's folk embroidery done in cotton black with lining, no cups, front open. See, this is also looking so smart with this. All handwork, these have just come, and this is also priced 1250, and the sari, as I said, is 1450 only. Now I'll come to the next collection. This is again in cotton, product number 8, 1500. 1500, more colors. You will check out the other episodes. More colors were also shown in this product. See, it's a dual tone, it's a lovely piece, dual tone, pink yellow combination, dual tone cotton sari, pure cotton, stable handloom. It's a Bengal cotton. Just see the tassels, very smart looking, lovely tassel with running blouse piece. Since these have running blouse piece, that's the reason I'm showing you designer blouses. But simple designer blouses, not much bling, but all handwork and concept blouses. Just see the sari. The sari itself will have this running blouse, and it's only 1500. Ideal for regular use and for corporate wears. It's a very smart looking sari. With this, you can try this silk ajrak blouse. I too have worn this in one of the episodes. Silk ajrak blouse. The body and the blouse sleeves is in two different ajrak print. It's hand ajrak. See the blouse, sleeves and the body. It's looking very smart with this. This is the blouse. The body will have a different vegetable dye print ajrak in pure modal silk, and the sleeves also in another print. So again you will get sizes. This is in silk ajrak with the cotton sari. The sari 1500 as I told you, and this is the blouse is 3200, sizes till 42. See, it's a very smart, and you can mix and match these blouses with a lot more saris. Now I'll show you one in Bengal cotton with border. This is pure cotton slub. This is product number 92350, 2350 rupees only. 2350. It's in magenta, purplish magenta color with dual tone, short color, dual tone matha part temple border, hand woven. This is the pallu. Reasonably ranged pure cotton Bengal handlooms. See, even to short small occasions you can wear these, and since these are traditional saris, these look very smart on wearing. It has running blouse piece, so since it has running blouse piece, I would suggest you can try something different. See, it's a lovely sari. Beautiful color combination. With this, why don't you try this blouse? It's pure Tussar Nokshi Katha blouse. Pure Tussar Nokshi Katha hand embroidery blouse with lining, no cup, size still 40-42. Here is the front part of it. Very smart look with this sari. The work. 2650 for the blouse. Now I'll show you another color in this. Red. Product number 102350. It's a pinkish red color. Dudhe halta pink red that we say. Dudhe halta color. It's a very common term in Bengali. So this is the sari. It's more reddish. It's a pinkish red since it's dual tone. And this also has a lovely leaf green border. This is the pallu. $2350. Now handloom silk tussar kathans are so much in demands. Every day I'm getting messages to show more videos, but what to do? All the looms are closed and there's lockdown in most of the states. Very difficult time for the weavers, really feels sorry. As much as we need, but the factories remaining closed, production has become very, very minimum. So this is the sari. 2350 for the sari. It's a lovely handloom cotton sari. In spite of that, we are trying our best to keep the weavers safe and do work. This is another blouse with that. See, it's a lovely Nokshi Katha handmade tussar embroidery blouse. 2650 for the blouse. 2650. Beautiful blouse, see. It goes with so many saris. 2650 for the blouse and 2350 for the sari. Similar blouse, you can check out the mannequin wearing. It's also in tussar. So the mannequin, you can have a look at the get-up. This is the blouse with front open, close neck, back also will have close because I don't want to cut it off and waste the embroidery. This is the blouse. And see, this is a cotton kesh handloom cotton sari, lovely in orange and red combination. 2200 for the sari. 2250, 2250, it has no number. I'm just showing you as an example how it looks, as a sample how it looks along with the blouse. So this is the look when the whole sari you wear with this kind of blouses. See, this is a kesh weave. It's a pure cotton. 2250 and 2650 for the blouse. The one that I am wearing, I similarly showed you similar ones. The next piece that I am wearing is 3250. It's a side Tanjore, embossed marble stone. It's a beautiful, it's a very designer look neck piece with rice pearl, side pendant. 3250 for the neck piece. It's only the neck piece. The sari, as I said, is 1450 rupees. 1450 for the sari, red and white. With this, I am wearing a tissue puff sleeve blouse. So this is the tissue puff sleeve blouse. Here it will have the tissue puff and here it will have fitted concept. It is 3200. Sizes are also available. See, starting from 34 to 42. It's a lovely, smart looking, and it goes with any, Banarasis also. It looks very nice. This is the weave. This is the blouse. 3250 for the blouse and 1450 for the sari. Similar blouses, I'll also show you a few more blouses. So this is another sari, product number 11. Lovely cotton, no border. Cotton, no border, Meena Buta sari in white, milk white, with block print. This is the block print. It looks weave, but it's not weave, it's block print. It's a very smart looking sari. It looks as if it's woven, but it's a lovely sari, and only 1600. If it's woven, it wouldn't have been this range, but it looks very, very smart. See, it's a milk white with red and gold block print without any border. It's in pure cotton. A very smart looking sari. And this is the blouse piece. It has white blouse piece with this. Actually, I'm holding this sari in the opposite way. This is the sari actually. The flowers will be in the right side. Apologies. This is the right side of the sari. This is the pallu. And with this, you can try this blouse. A silk red reverse katha blouse. 2650 for the blouse, and sari is 1600, milk white. This is the embroidery, reverse katha in deep red, maroonish red color. 2650. The whole stock of katha we've received, so all the blouses are very pretty. You can wear it with long skirts also. It looks very smart. 2650 for the blouse. I'll just quickly show you few more blouses. This is in black, 2650. Jet black multicolored reverse blouse, 2650. All katha blouses in silk and tussar are 2650, and cotton ones are 1250. This is the blouse. Just check out the colors. Multiple colors, so it goes with a lot of saris. This is in predominant rust, orangish. 2650 jet black. See, with all the blouses, the sari is looking bright, grand. It look really grand. We have two branches in Kolkata. 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. According to the government rules, 12 to 3 we can remain open. So those who want to visit, please do. 12 to 3 we are keeping open. The other time we are closed, but we are answering questions, and we are, if you want any bookings and orders, we are accepting them. This is also 2650 in pure tussar. This is in reverse katha also. These are all same range. 2650 Nokshi katha, tussar color. Close up of the embroidery. If you want to lessen the size, then you just have to give a stitch, and if you want a little more of the increase, so there's little margin inside, you can increase it. Okay, now this is a lovely piece. This is beautiful sari. It's in 5,990 rupees. It's in Munga check. This has tussar in this. It's a beautiful sari. It's I just love this weave. So even though I'm showing a cotton episode, I wanted really to show this sari. It's a lovely Munga tussar muslin with silk border. It's a matha silk border. It's a tussar border actually, and this is absolutely woven. Just check out the Meena weave. It's a beautiful sari, and check out the pallu also. It's a Manipuri design pallu. 5990 Manipuri design pallu. Rich red border, soft and very classy. It has running blouse, but again I would suggest not to cut the blouse. It's a beautiful sari. I mean, I just love this sari. It's a absolutely new concept. And this is another blouse that you can wear with this. 2000 rupees for the blouse. It's embossed. It's a jacquard patola blouse in Chanderi. And it's, yes, correct, 2000 sleeveless blouse. See, it look very smart with this. $2,000 for the blouse. We have red black, yellow as I shown you, and this dark viridian green. And the sari I have already told you the details. It's a beautiful sari. Now I'll show you few mull cotton in zari check. Again, this I'll not open much. It's a very soft sari. Okay, fine. I'll open one piece for you to get an idea of how it looks. Soft, flowy fabric in pure cotton, mull zari cotton. Just see, it has fine zari weave, no border. So you can, really mix and match any blouse, like what the blouse that I am wearing, any jewelry, any shirts you can mix and match with this. See, this is with the tassels. This is a navy blue. I'll show you all the colors. With this, wow, this is again a cotton ajrak blouse. The similar one that I had worn in a previous episode. I showed you two designs in this now. This is the sleeves, a full sleeve cotton, very smart looking. Just check out the look. Extremely fashionable. And the blouse, again you'll get sizes, limited stock, 1990 rupees only, 1990 for the blouse, full sleeve. This is the back. And this is the sari. 1990 for the blouse, same price, and the sari, I'll just tell you the sari price, the rest I'll show you the colors. 1350 rupees only for the sari, 1350. Now here comes the colors. This is in dark magenta color. All 1350 rupees with tassels. These look really smart, wearing with tassels. This is 1350, same price. And I'll show you the blouse which I've selected with this. Just check out this blouse. So today I showed you lots of Katha blouse to select, to get you more options, to give you more options of these blouses. Just see how lovely it's looking. The look absolutely changes. Silk reverse Katha silk blouse 2650, and the sari, as I already told you, is 1350 rupees only. Very soft, no maintenance, very easy to wear. It has a lovely fall and the drape also. At the same time, it's such a rich look. Just see the weave. It's soft mull, very soft mull. Olive. This is product number 15, olive green. Very uncommon color. Very smart color, and see the tassels. Zari pin stripe throughout. Now I'll show you something more interesting. Now this is pure tussar Kutch work, thread work blouse piece. How about this? So you can stitch it according to your measurements. We have the tailoring unit also. If you want, we can stitch according to your measurements and send you. Pure tussar Kutch work, all over embroidery. The sleeves will be fully thread work. The front, the back, it's all over thread work. 2990. 2990 rupees for the blouse piece material. The stitching charges are different. So of course you can buy separately also. A lovely red. Ideal for gifting also. See the tassels? I love the tassels actually. Zari cotton. Very soft and very easy to maintain, as I said, and mainly it's the comfort feel. Now see the blouse piece for this. It's a color, is very unique color. It's greenish blue color. handwork. All whatever I showed the blouse piece today are all hand embroidery. The blouse piece 2990 in pure tussar. Just check out the thread work. Fully Parsi and French knot, which is Gara Parsi embroidery with French knot. This is the blouse sleeves. Both the sleeves and the back. Gorgeous look once you wear it. See, it won't seem as if the blouse is sari is 1350 and the blouse is 2990. So whole look within 4500 you will get with stitching complete whole look. It's a lovely combination. Now this is another one. See the colors also. The colors are so uncommon colors. This is in coffee. Coffee 1350. See the blouse. All tussar handwork and very smart design. See, not necessarily you have to wear it with this sari only. There are so many options of colors. The sleeves, the back, front, back, fully work, and that too in pure tussar. 2990 for the blouse and sari 1350 rupees. This is the color combination. Now a lovely peach pink color, product number 18. Very soothing color. I'll just closely show you the zari pins stripe, and this is also in two-tone color. This is the sari. See the blouse piece. So these I've been giving the karigars to do, and it took time, but ultimate result is I think very unique. I think all of you will love this, because we must give some credit to the embroiders for the handwork they've done even in this this pandemic. So much of hard work involved. This is Kutch work blouse in pure tussar with mirror work. Front, back, sleeves will. This is the front part. This is the back part. This is the sleeves. Fully thread work. Stunning combination. Peach pink color. More of peachish color. 2990 for the blouse. And the last few ones. Now this is product number 19. It's maroonish coffee. You can check out the descriptions. Cash on delivery not possible till the lockdown in Kolkata is over. This is the color actually. It's wine color, burgundy color. See the tassels. It's a beautiful piece. See, lovely piece. It's in dark coffee kind of a color, and again you can wear this tissue blouse with this. It's different from the one that I am wearing. This is 2900 rupees. It's a gold tissue with chicken work in the sleeves. That too in tissue. This is the sleeves and this is the body. Front open. This is the back part. This is the front part. With this look really smart. Sari. Let's check out the color and the last one, of course, black. Black looks really nice, and there are many quality and thread count in these saris. So this And then Palum, handloom, of course there's a lot of difference in all the prices, but this is the very good quality mull cotton hand woven. This is the tassels. All these saris are with blouse pieces, running blouse piece. This is in black zari, looks very smart and grand, and with this you can try this white chicken silk blouse. This is the front, this is the back. Very smart looking. $1350 for the sari and 2350 for the silk chicken blouse piece. Keep watching the program. Please like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications and keep supporting. Thank you so much. সবাই সুস্থ থাকবেন, ভালো থাকবেন।